In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a file to Google Drive on iPhone. So what you want to do is first go ahead and open up the App Store if you haven't already got Google Drive downloaded. Then just do a search for Google Drive. So go ahead and download the Google Drive app, and once you've got that downloaded, you can go ahead and open it, and it will probably ask you to log in with your Gmail account. Now once you've done that and you're inside of Google Drive, you can go ahead and click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then you can click upload file, and that's going to ask us, do we want to upload photos and videos, or do we want to browse and upload files? If you need to upload a file, click browse, and it will then open up all of your recent files on your iPhone. You can then click on the browse folder in the bottom right hand corner and browse for your file. I'm just going to upload this money manual ebook, so click on the file, and then the file should then start to upload, so you can see all pending uploads have completed. If you go ahead and refresh on the home page, you will probably see your file. So here it is, the money manual. So here is the PDF. That's how you can upload files to Google Drive on iPhone.